Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shay. I am here with a new video. Yes, it is the new year. Happy New Year's. Also, I wanted to say that to you guys, Happy New Year's. But yes, I am here with a new video for the new year. I'm going to get better on schedule and everything, but it is a lot of things that have been changing in my life, and that's why I'm here. I wanted to give you guys an update on my life. I wanted to let you guys in 2020 a little bit. I just wanted to let you guys in a little bit to let you guys know what I've been up to and all the changes in my life. So yes, stay tuned. And also, I wanted to let you guys know a company that I am subscribed to. So that's why I'm here. It's a little different. It's going to be like a little haul, but it's not with like clothes like I usually do. So just stay tuned, you'll see. So guys, I wanted to let you guys in, and I wanted to tell you guys a few things, you know, about my life, where I've been, all the things that you haven't seen me in a while. So I wanted to let you guys know that. But I am engaged, as you see my shirt. So yes, oh my gosh. So I have been engaged since May 22nd, 2021. I got engaged in Disney World. So picture right here of the engagement of me and my baby. So yes. So I wanted to let you guys know that, and if you've been watching me for some time, you probably heard me talk about her. You knew I was in a relationship, but now I am a fiance. So yes, I wanted to let you guys know a little bit about all the things I've been up to and what I've been doing. I am planning my wedding. It's a big wedding. It's expensive and it's time consuming. So yes, that's what I've been up to. And then the holidays just passed, and I've been just trying to get things wrapped up for everything because our wedding is in the spring. So yes, so that's what I've been up to. But today I wanted to let you guys know about a company that I have a subscription with. I wanted to let you guys know about that company, and I think I wanted to let you guys know that. Yeah, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you the pieces that they send me each month, and it has something to do with my wedding. So stay tuned. This is the company that I wanted to let you guys know about. It's called, the name of the company is The Ring Box, and the website is right here, www.theringbox.com. So I wanted to let you guys know, this is the box that I get delivered every month. Well, actually, when my fiance actually proposed, she surprised me with the subscription of the ring box that comes monthly. So it's a subscription. It comes monthly, and it has like around the holiday they sent me one with seasonal items inside of it. So I will open the box and let you guys know. This box was from this is for January, and then I have another box, and this is for December. The February, we're still in January, but the February box should be on its way. But I'm going to open these two boxes because these two I did save. These are the latest two. So I want to show you guys the pieces that they sent me. And also I'll show you a couple pieces from the past that they showed me the last couple months that they've been sending me. So I will let you guys see that. So I'll open the box. And it's really cute. I think, I wanted to show you guys. So. And I think it's pretty cool. Like if you're in, like me personally, I like to, but once, you know, it's sunk in and I'm like, I'm about to get married, I'm a bride, I started looking up a lot of things like on Amazon or Etsy, and looking at different things that say bride or any, you know, wedding bride things. I started looking up a lot of those items, and truthfully, the ring box actually send you a few items that you can save your money and they'll send you. So that saved me a lot of time with some items. So the way that they send the box, they send tissue paper that says the ring box, and it's a sticker. Sorry for all the rambling. And then it says what is wrong with me talking today? But they send the tissue paper, and on the tissue paper it says the ring box all over it. Then they send a sticker, and it says for the bride to be. So I think that was really cute, and they make it feel real special because you'd be so excited. So Then they send you a little booklet. I will let you guys see the booklet. I hope you guys are being patient. So, and it says you're getting married with all these words I'm not going to read right now. Is it focusing? And then it's another, on the back of it, it says, we want to hear from you. So it's like a little message on the back. So I like this. This is pretty cool. And if you look inside, it says little different stuff for like what they actually sent you inside the box. So it says what's inside, and they'll tell you everything that they sent you inside the box, which I think is pretty cool. So, and this be sitting right on top when they send it. And on the back, it shows you that they have them for the groom also. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty cool. And they let you know their website, their Instagram, and everything like that. So this is the booklet that comes with it every month. They send a new booklet. Then I thought this was pretty cool. These bachelorette pins. They sent, it's some on both sides. So like when these things come in the mail, it's a set of 10, and it says different stuff like misbehave, bride, blackout queen, hot mama, that B-I-T-C-H, and it says just like a whole bunch of them. And I think that's so cute. Like if you're having a bachelorette party, or if you want to do it at your bridal party, that's fine too. Then they send you like a little cup, which I thought this was cute, and it says bride. Like it really, I think being subscribed, like having a subscription with companies like this, because they do have a lot of other ones also, so you don't have to just go with the ring box, but they have a lot of other companies that does this for like weddings and everything. And I think it's amazing. I think it's so cute, because you're just like leading up to your wedding, it just makes you excited and anxious. I just been anxious the whole time, so stressful, but this makes me look forward to it monthly to see what's going to be in my box. It's like a surprise. So I think that was really cute. So it says bride, and the top of it comes off. So I thought this was really cute, guys. Like, and then like today I have on a fiance shirt. So me and my fiance went cake tasting over the weekend, and when we went cake tasting, I wore another shirt that they sent me, and it said girlfriend, and it had that crossed out, and then it said fiance, and I just love it. It's just exciting. Then they sent these tattoos. I think these are tattoos. Yeah, they're tattoos, bride tattoos, bachelorette tattoos. So I thought these were cute. And I was also about to order one of these. Sorry guys for the rattling, if it's annoying, sorry. But I was actually about to order a headband, a bride headband for my bridal shower. So I am having a bridal shower. Yes, we're having a bridal shower. So I was actually about to order one of these, bride, and I asked baby did she want one, and she said no. So I'm gonna wear one. So I thought, because it's two brides, why she can get one. So I thought this was cute, and the color actually is rose gold, and it's cute. So these are all the things they sent in this box. And then they sent a shirt. This is the shirt. And the shirt, it's a tank top. So it say wifey of the party. No, it say wife of the party. I'm sorry, I don't know where I got that from. But it says wife of the party, which I thought was really cute, because closer to my wedding, it's going to be springtime. So I'll probably put this to use then, or after the wedding. And then this is the last item. It's a straw. It says bride, and it's a straw. As you can see, it's all these squigglies, which is really cute. And I'm actually going to put all this to use. Okay? My fiance paid for all this, so this is a subscription. Monthly payments. Yes. And then it comes with like all of this at the bottom of the box. So cute, right? So that's the January box. and I'll show you guys. Okay. So this is the December box. And also, I forgot to mention to you guys, it says, congratulations, you're engaged. So that's super cute when you like open it and it says everything like that. When I when I came back from Disney World, and I didn't know when was coming in the mail. She surprised me with that too. So a box came in the mail, and I was like, when I opened it, it was just so cute and exciting. So especially when I saw congratulations, you're engaged, and it just made me excited. So yes, so this is how it comes with this, again, the little notebook that comes on top, and then this is the sticker. So this was the December box for the holidays. So it says future Mrs. and it's a hat. Did it focus? And then it came with a scarf. All this rattling, I'm sorry. It came with a scarf to match the hat. Then it came with a mug. So soon we're moving into our house that we're buying, that we're purchasing. And this is so cute because these are things I want to put up, memories, you know. So I think that was amazing. Kiss me under the mistletoe. So I thought that was cute. And then they sent me another shirt. This is so cute, guys. And you also, when you order, you put your size in there. So all of my shirts come in a 2X. So I wanted to let you guys know that. And then this came in the mail also. We're engaged. And this is an ornament. Isn't that cute? The only thing I wish is that it had the year 2021, because you can always, you know, look back, but it's memories for us too, so we know when we got engaged. So we're engaged, which is really, really cute. Okay, so this is a bag that they also sent me inside one of the boxes, and it says happily ever after. And I thought this was really cute because I needed a little tote bag, because when you're running around going cake tasting, going to the venue nonstop, and you're just running around to run all the errands for the wedding, to meet people and go check hotels, and you know, just want to make sure everything is planned and on track for your like best, you know, exciting day, your big day. You want to make, you like, this little tote is so cute because everything you need in, you can just throw it in and just go. So I did order another tote off of Amazon for all my books and my notes that I had to keep track of, but this really helped me because it keeps track of all the little knickknacks that they send me, and I just keep it inside of here. So I thought this was really cute, like a little set. And I want to show you guys the other pieces, important pieces that they sent me that I already placed inside the bag. They sent me a shirt right here that said bride in, it says bride in the middle. I mean, in the corner, right here. And I was like, oh, rehearsal. So when you're getting ready for the day before your wedding, you do rehearsal. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear one of them. Then I have this hat that says bride in the corner. Like, some people might not like things like this, but I think it's so cute because you can take pictures. You just have memories of so many things leading up to your wedding, and it's exciting. You can't get that time back. So I thought that was amazing. Then they send you little cups and bottles, which I think is truly cute. Look at this. Future Mrs. Isn't that cute, guys? Oh my God. And then it opens and closes. Like, you don't find a lot of these cups like this. And then you can open and close it. Like, do you see this? Listen, if you love your boo, you want to be the missus, okay? So I'm excited. And please say congratulations in the comments. You know, thank you. They sent me one of these. Isn't this cute? Like, I'm serious. Like, they really get you so excited. Because it really saved me money. Like, if you're going to pay for a subscription, they need to send you good things. And I just feel like it saved me money. And then I can always put this up in my house and just reminisce. So, yes, guys. I'm going to show you a few other pieces because I'll be excited. So these are stickers for your book, like stickers, like if you want to do like a little book of each thing you do. So these are the stickers. These are stickers, and this is for your cup or your mug. socks, future wifey. That was cute. Oh, I have another one. Bride socks. So I'll probably give these to my baby. Because I have 2 pairs of socks, so we're both brides, so why not? And this one says bride. It's like a little hair pin. I showed you guys that one. And then also, it's like a little keychain. And also, if you're like me, for my wedding also, this is a little thing I'll send throw out to you guys. They also send like a little robe that says bride on the back, and they send your size. So they sent that, which I thought was really, really cute. But if you're like me, I also order my own stuff because I want my brides in robes with a certain color, and I'm going to have like a special robe for myself, and we're going to take pictures, and we're going to have a photographer and a videographer there. So if you're like me, yeah, I still, you know, did my own thing, even though they sent a robe. So keep that in mind. Sometimes you can save money with all of these pieces. So yes, I wanted to let you guys know that I am engaged, and this is a company that I am subscribed to, and they send me monthly goodies. So yeah, I will come with more things that I've been doing for my wedding and for my wedding party. So that's like cutting budgets on certain things or items, things that I feel cheaper, you know, than spending more money. So I can let you guys know. So just comment below that you like the video, you like this content, you want to see more of this content for my wedding. So yes, comment, subscribe, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. And Happy New Year's again. Thank you. Enjoy your day, and I am engaged.